Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best protein powders for weight loss available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Garden of Life Protein Powder for weight loss. Raw fitness is your gateway to extraordinary health. It is formulated with a healthy blend of soluble and insoluble fiber from raw organic seeds and fruits. This raw fit contains organic cold milled flax seeds and raw organic African baobab. So not only does this fiber help slow down digestion and help you feel fuller longer. This combination is full of antioxidants and is a rich source of omega-3s. It differs from other proteins because it has several additional clinically studied ingredients. It also has raw organic ashwagandha added to help fight cravings. It maintain healthy blood sugar, boost your energy, lose weight and look great. It also has raw organic ashwagandha added to help fight cravings. At number 6 we have Muscletech Protein Powder. This Muscletech Nitrotech Ripped is the ultimate protein plus weight loss formula that combines the highest quality whey protein isolate and peptides in C. Canephora robusta. Each scoop contains 30 grams of ultra-clean protein from whey peptides and whey protein isolate to help build lean muscle, increase strength and enhance recovery for men and women. It features the key ingredient C. Canephora robusta, which resulted in subjects losing an average of 10.95 pounds with a low-calorie diet in 60 days, and 3.7 pounds in 8 weeks with calorie-reduced diet and moderate exercise. Nitrotech Ripped doesn't pack the extra sugar and carbs that you'll see in other protein powders. At number 5 we have Slim Fast Protein Powder. This Slim Fast high-protein meal replacement shakes are the perfect diet-friendly smoothie mix. Each serving is packed with 20 grams of protein when combined with 8 ounces of fat-free milk. To keep you full for hours with a decadent creamy vanilla flavor to satisfy your sugar cravings. Slim Fast Advanced Nutrition Smoothie Mix is packed with 5 grams of fiber to promote better digestion and curb hunger. Our shake mix is gluten-free and packed with 24 essential vitamins and minerals, and zinc to take the hassle out of dieting by providing you. It comes with a high-quality smoothie mix that is equally delicious in taste. This smoothie mix is perfect for on-the-go anytime meal replacement. This rich, decadent and exceptionally tasty smoothie comes with more protein and less sugar. That's allowing you to indulge in vanilla cravings while still shedding those unwanted pounds. At number 4 we have Labrada Protein Powder. It contains 40 grams of fast-release and slow-release proteins to give you a sustained flow of vital amino acids for faster muscle growth and increases in strength. It covers all your bases with 35 grams of an exclusive high-grade protein blend. It 21 essential vitamins and minerals for optimum wellness, and healthy carbs to keep your energy levels up throughout your day, along with helping your body perform at its best. This lean body high-protein MRP helps you maximize lean muscle growth and recovery. You'll love what lean body high-protein MRP doesn't have in it too, like 0 artificial colors, preservatives or trans fat and only 6 grams of sugar. At number 3 we have BSN Protein Powder. This 2-in-1 support to provide you with the best of both worlds for helping attain lean muscle mass gains. It supplies your muscles with the highest quality protein to help maintain and build lean muscle mass, while supporting your physique goals. It helps support fat burning. This unique 2-in-1 product combines the muscle building potential of pure whey protein isolates. It comes with fat burning support from L-carnitine. This stimulant-free powder mixes easily into cold water to provide the delicious milkshake taste. It's the perfect 120-calorie shake for active adults who are determined to build lean mass while cutting body fat. At number 2 we have Plant Fusion Protein Powder. Plant Fusion Lean Plant-Based Weight Loss Protein is a clinically tested plant-based weight loss shake. It is designed to be a simple, delicious drink to help you achieve your health goals. Each serving includes 21 grams of proprietary protein to curb hunger, and 20 different superfoods to sustain energy to support your busy lifestyle. This exceptional protein has been shown in scientific testing to reduce appetite 35% more effectively than whey. This special blended formula of 9 grams of prebiotic fiber combined with chromium and banana leaf assist in the breakdown of sugars and carbohydrates. At number 1 we have Primal Labs Protein Powder. This Smash It chocolate, vanilla and strawberry slimming shake is the perfect aid to weight loss for women and men. This high-protein powder is the best keto food and the easiest of all low-carb snacks to make. You can just place 2 scoops in a protein shaker and go. This gold standard whey protein is the perfect addition to your new diet. This low-calorie shake is the best sports nutrition supplement to help you recover from that tough workout. This grass-fed whey protein with 35 different essential amino energy vitamins and minerals. If you're trying to lose weight, ditch the fat burners for women and try a Smash It Slimming Protein Shake. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best protein powders for weight loss for your need.